Why did soldiers pee into their machine guns during battle? We know soldiers' urine could help with gas attacks by soaking rags, but pouring it directly into a weapon? That seems completely pointless and honestly, disgusting, right? So, why did they do it? I'll explain. But if you don't want this happening to you, tap the like button, click subscribe, and share this fast. Machine guns would jam and overheat fast during intense firing. Normally, they were cooled with water, but in battle, that water could run out. So soldiers resorted in peeing on it, enough to cool it down and continue fighting.